So I'm not totally sure if the audio setup and the video setup is right, but I've been wanting to make this video for ages and just not got around to doing it. And I've only finally got all the equipment set up to actually have a play. So this is number 2, about blog AI and about creating a year's worth of blog images, and it probably cost me about $10 to use the compute power of the cloud to be able to create a little instance and then train it with some images, and then spit out a variety of different pictures based on prompts. So I'm gonna quickly show you some of the URLs and some of the websites that I found that helped me set that up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I found this via Twitter from Anita Kverska. I don't know. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. How to create your AI generated avatars for free. And so there's different steps, steps 1 to step 10, and you just have to literally step through this slowly to understand what you're doing. But basically what it uses is this new thing that I'd never heard of before called Google Colab. And it's like a notepad, but the notepads are kind of live environments in terms of that they run code. I think it's Python code that it's running in the background, but each one of these is a different section. So you have to step through each section. The first section being mounting your Google Drive storage, because you're going to use your Google Drive storage for your storage for your images that are created. And then you have to do dependencies, model download, and there's also another section where you actually upload, I think they want about 30 images to be able to train it properly. And then you run a system called a Dream Booth, which then trains the AI to create the images. So the way I started creating some images is that I found some great prompts from lexica.art, and if you step through some of these, if you click on them, it gives you like what they used as a prompt, and you can copy that prompt and kind of like expand on it. So for instance, if let's click this one, Spider-Man as Wolverine, I would change that to whatever name that I trained my model on, and then that would use my pictures and actually put myself in there, but with all these attributes attached to it. There's another site called Playground AI as well that does a similar thing, and all of these AI pictures have been kind of spawned from lots of different sites. I think the first one that I saw was avatarai.me. If you don't want to go down the road of doing your own setup or using the collab thing in the cloud, you can go and pay at the minute like £14 to get 120 different AI avatars if you're just looking for somebody to create them for you without all the hassle. You just have to upload some images, 512 pixels by 512 pixels, with your image centered in the middle. But it's starting to spawn lots of other things which make this whole area really interesting. Things like interior AI and candyicons.com, which is like icons made via AI. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up about it, and that I've been playing with it, and that I'm still trying to get all this stuff set up. I've got a little switcher thing which is over here, which kind of works pretty well, but I haven't got it like all integrated in yet, but I am working on it. But I just wanted to get a video out today and finished up. Alright, I will catch up with you soon. I'm glad this is working. I'm going to see what the audio's like and if it will do transcripts. And supposedly with Descript detail, should I say, now it actually pulls out relevant bits of video which you can then share via socials, which then bring people back to the main video. So I'm playing around with that.